This is your birthday land party na kagara bago yan. Hindi ba natin nababati ng happy birthday ang ating mga birthday celebrant kaya naman? Sabay-sabay na sila batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday ng aga 3, 2, and 1! Happy birthday!
And now, please welcome our ladies and Lisa and Carmina. Please give them a round of applause.
Wow! Okay, once again po, naman natin, siyempre, ang ating birthday celebrant. Kailangan na higaan po natin once again, si Nanay Lisa, dito po sa may harapan. Ayan, nakaya ito officially open this party, please, drawing stand.